Unfortunately, getting lean and looking good is actually really simple. Not easy, but simple. And that's exactly why most people never get there. Because you've been lied to. You've been told you need a perfect diet, count every calorie, and spend hours in the gym just to look good. But the truth is, none of that matters. Most fitness influencers overcomplicate something that really only comes down to a few basic principles. And once you understand them, everything becomes stupidly simple. You see, looking good isn't about hacks or motivation. It's about understanding how your body responds to food and training over time. So I'm not going to bullshit you. There are only two factors that decide how you look: how lean you are and how much muscle you have. If you're lean with no muscle, you'll just look skinny. If you're muscular but not lean, you'll look soft. You need them both. That's what everyone misses. So let's break it down raw and simple. The first thing you need to understand is calories. No, you don't need to count them every day. I don't, but they still matter. Because you don't get lean by eating clean. You get lean by consistently eating slightly less than your body burns. A calorie deficit. That's it. Your body doesn't care how healthy the food is. It only cares about calories in versus calories out. Of course, prioritize whole foods for energy, skin, and overall health. But fat loss always comes back to the deficit. And most people screw this up in one of two ways. They either obsess over every number or they ignore it completely. Both are mistakes. Calories are just a tool to see if you're eating too much or too little. If your weight isn't moving, you're not in a deficit. If it's dropping too fast, you're doing too much. Instead of stressing over perfection, just be aware. Track your food loosely, check your weight, and make small adjustments along the way. That alone puts you ahead of most people. Now, cutting fat alone won't magically make you look good if you don't have muscle already. I learned this the hard way. I got lighter on my first cut, but I didn't look impressive, just small. That's why building muscle over time matters far more than any short-term diet. If you're skinny fat or can't see your abs yet, a short mini cut can help, just enough to clean things up and see where you're starting from. Think of it as creating a baseline. After that, don't stay in cut mode forever. Most of your time should be spent building muscle while staying relatively lean, eating slightly more than your body burns. That's what we call a lean bulk, not a dirty bulk. If you lose all your definition while bulking, that's not progress. That's just gaining fat. A proper lean bulk keeps you close to your starting leanness while slowly adding muscle. And yes, this takes time, months, years even. But that's exactly how impressive physiques are built. Patience and consistency beat short-term extremes every time. And once you've added enough muscle and filled out your frame, do a proper cut to finally reveal your hard work. That's when your physique truly shows. The final piece of the puzzle is training. And this is where most people sabotage themselves. They jump between random workouts, copy whatever is trending, and never stick to one plan long enough to see progress. But here's the truth. Building muscle doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be consistent and intense. I built my physique training 3 days a week, and it was enough because I focused on progression and intensity, not hours in the gym. Pick a split that fits your schedule, pick exercises you can progress on, track your lifts, and train close to failure. And progression is simple. Lift a little more weight or get a few extra reps each session. You don't need to live in the gym. 40 minutes to an hour, a few times a week, done properly, is more than enough. Muscle doesn't come from variety. It comes from tension, progression, and sticking to the plan long enough for your body to actually respond. Put all of this together and the process becomes very simple. Control your calories without obsessing, train consistently and aim to get stronger each session, and do a mini cut if needed, lean bulk, and finally do a proper cut to reveal your physique. That's it. Getting lean and looking good isn't complicated. It just requires patience and doing the same boring things correctly for long enough. If you don't want to miss any no bullshit guides on building an aesthetic physique, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.